AliDropship is a powerful tool for starting and managing a dropshipping business using products from AliExpress. Here's how to use it effectively. Install AliDropship plugin. First, purchase and download the AliDropship plugin from the official website. Install it on your WordPress site by uploading the plugin file through your WordPress dashboard. Set up your store. After installation, activate the plugin. Follow the setup wizard to configure your store settings, including payment methods, shipping options, and store information. Import products. Use the import list feature to browse AliExpress and find products you want to sell. You can import products directly into your store with a click, including product images, descriptions, and prices. Customize your store. Edit product details like titles, descriptions, and prices to optimize for SEO and appeal to your target audience. Customize your website's design using themes and templates available in the plugin. Manage orders. When customers place orders, manage them through the AliDropship dashboard. The plugin automates the order fulfillment process by placing orders directly on AliExpress on your behalf. Promote your store. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to drive traffic to your store and increase sales.